everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you exactly the dog airdrop dogs withdrawal update. First, open Telegram and search for the official dogs bot at dogshouse_bot. Start the bot, which will assess your Telegram account's age and activity level to determine your eligibility. Premium subscribers and longtime users will receive higher rewards. Then share your referral link with friends to invite them to join the dogs community. Each successful referral can increase your airdrop allocation. Follow the Dogs Telegram channel and other official social media platforms for the latest information on the airdrop and token launch. To withdraw Dogs tokens, you can withdraw your Dogs tokens to your crypto wallet after the token generation event. You'll need to link your TON-compatible wallet to the Dogs Telegram bot. Then use the bot to initiate the withdrawal process by entering your wallet address and the number of tokens you wish to withdraw. Next, confirm the transaction in your wallet. Note that token distribution is expected to begin after the official token generation event, or TGE. Thank you everyone for watching. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Leave a comment down below. See you in the next one.